This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Former President Pranab Mukherjee passed away at Army Hospital in New Delhi yesterday. He was 84. Pranab Mukherjee passed away in spite of the best efforts of doctors of Army R&R Hospital. Mukherjee served as the 13th President of India from 2012 to 2017. He also served as Union Minister of Finance, Defence, External Affairs and Commerce. AIR correspondent reports, Pranab Mukherjee, a man of humble origin, was born in the small village of Mirathi in Birbhum district of West Bengal as son of freedom fighters Kamada Kinkar Mukherjee and Raj Lakshmi. Inspired by his father's contribution to the national movement, Mukherjee in 1969 plunged into full-time public life following his election to the upper house of the parliament. Mukherjee was also deputy chairman of Planning Commission. He was elected to Rajya Sabha 5 times and twice to Lok Sabha. Mukherjee served as leader of both the houses of parliament. Nagaland Government has decided to implement the Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines on Unlock 4 by opening maximum activities in the state. In an official order issued from the Chief Secretary, Nagaland said the state government has allowed the functioning of all shopping malls, restaurants, hotels, gymnasium and yoga institutes. Barber shops and parlour in the state subject to strict adherence to the SOPs issued by the government. The state government also issued consolidated guidelines on lockdown measures for strict implementation, which comes into effect from September 1st throughout the state till 30th of September. Schools, colleges, educational and coaching institutions for students and regular activity will remain closed till September 30th. However, online and distance learning shall continue to be permitted. The National Commission for Women has written to the Meghalaya Chief Secretary over the death of 877 newborns and 61 pregnant women in the state in the last 4 months. Since April, at least 61 pregnant women and 877 newborn babies have died in Meghalaya because of not getting admission in hospitals and lack of medical attention due to diversion of the health machinery to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The deaths of the newborns were due to lack of medical attention and care, pneumonia and birth asphyxia, Director of Health Services Amanwar said. In Meghalaya, 26 new COVID-19 cases were detected yesterday, taking the total active cases to 1,196. Health Minister A.L. Hek informed media that out of 26 new cases, 14 are from East Khasi Hills District, 4 from East Jaintia Hills District, 5 from West Garo Hills District, 1 each from West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi and Southwest Garo Hills District. Out of the 113 patients who recovered yesterday, 80 were from East Khasi Hills District, 26 from West Garo Hills District, 2 each from Ribhoi and North Garo Hills District and 3 from East Jaintia Hills District. So far, the total number of recovered cases in Meghalaya stands at 1,162. All 40 legislators in Mizoram, including Chief Minister Zoramthanga, were tested for COVID-19 as per the standard operating procedure issued ahead of the Assembly session and found to be negative. The Assembly Secretariat has issued the SOP to be followed by members, officials and the press during the 3-day session in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The session begins today. On the first day of the session, the Chief Minister will make obituary references to 5 members, including former Assembly Speakers Hifai and Rokamlova, who died recently. There will be no gubernatorial address, the official said. So far, 239 starred questions and 56 unstarred questions have been received by the Assembly Secretariat. A few government bills will be laid during the session. A 50-year-old COVID-19 patient died in Sikkim on Monday, following which the state's toll rose to 4. He had comorbid conditions including kidney ailments, said Sonam Bhutia, the State Information, Education and Communication Officer. He was undergoing treatment at the STNM hospital in Gangtok since August 27th after being referred to by doctors of the district hospital at Singtam in East Sikkim. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.